It's my great pleasure to have a meeting this morning with the Minister of Defense of Madagascar. I'm the new ambassador of China to Madagascar, and we have a very good discussion with the minister regarding to how to promote our bilateral military cooperation and exchange. We have a very good basis for this cooperation, and I'd like to take the opportunity of my position here in the Chinese ambassador to work hard together with the Ministry of Defense and also together with the Excellence Minister to work very hard to give a new proventus for our bilateral military cooperation.